Hello guys, welcome once more to Build with Mr. Lee. In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to do an in-app notification on your web application using Laravel. So I have an application currently. Let me log in. So on this my application, I want to send a notification to the user once he funds his wallet. If it was successful, I'll send a successful notification. If it was failed, then I'll send a failed notification. Although Paystack actually send a notification to their emails after transaction has been successful or completed in their payment gateway, but for an example, I'll still be sending them an in-app notification. So after payment has been made, the notification would pop up here, so they can click on it. Then there will be a notification section here where if you click on it, you'll be able to see the notification. So let's go directly into what you have for today. So I go to my project here. So on my project, first of all, I'm going to be creating a model for notification. So after creating this model, I create a controller and I create my migration files. So when my model has been created, then my migration file, this is the notification migration. Now this migration file is going to hold the basic fields I want to add to my notification, which basically are the title, the user ID, possibly then the let's say the message, and also to know if the message is read or if the message is read or not read. So in the user ID, the type now is dependent on you. So you might even choose not to put the type. So it could be a general message, it could be a system message, it could be an admin message. By default, it's a system message, and the title and the message you want to send, then your read, as basic as that. Then we can actually still go to the transaction controller where the transaction is being done. So on your transaction, this handled gateway callback, this is where the successful transaction is. So once a transaction is successful, it will come here. So it adds the amount to the user balance. Then let's make a notification telling the user that, okay, so and so amount has been paid. So the notification has the user ID, of course. Then the title is like Paystack transaction. Then the message I put, your Paystack transaction was successful, account has been credited with so and so amount. Then you save it. Then once this payment has been done, this transaction will be saved. But right now, I want to make a page where the user will be able to see his transaction at this side, like the notification at this end here. So I'm going to create a file for it and go to my web.php. I create a notification, which is what I've done here already. Notification, my notification controller, I define the method index, then the route is notification, the name of the route is user.notification. So if I click on index, my notification where the read is equal to 0, that means that the message is on read. If it is equal to 1, or let me just get all the, or if it is equal to 1, it shouldn't show. If it is equal to 0, or let me just get all the message. Let's say notification, let's say latest notification get. Then we compact notifications. Then we create this file, and I'll create this file and do my additions. So I'm done with creating the notification page. So let me just put it on the sidebar. So this will be notification. I don't know if TI build. Then the this thing here will be, let's go to the page, user.notification. So copy this, paste here, route, user.notification. So the notification is actually showing. If I click on it, for now it will not work. Now, first thing we need to do is, first of all, to migrate. And after migrating, we make a payment so that notification will be available. But first things first, let's import this notification. Then PHP artisan migrate. So migration is done, and this app is showing now. So let's make a payment. Fund wallet. So let's say 500. So it checks success. Payment has been completed, and payment has been made. Let's confirm from the table if it has been created. So clearly from the table, a particular role has been created. So now let's make this row show here. Let's make the notification show here and remove these other guys. So that's on my app.blade.php. So I look for inside notifications, so find notifications. So we can see other complete. I would love to use this one. So I will remove the other ones and just use only one. That one refunded request. So remove this message and all that. Let me finish the cleaning. So since this is a layout file, so for us to get the notification that belongs to this user and possibly it has not been read, we're going to create a relationship on the user model. So on this user model, we're going to create a relationship called unread notification. So a user has many unread notification. So we're going to go to the notification table, notification, yeah. So import this has many class. On the notification table, we'll definitely have the user ID so it will work, but there'll be a where clause where read is equal to 0. Just get the latest. So now on this app.blade.php, we're going to get the user here. User here is the auth user, and also we're going to get the notifications that belongs to this user. So we use user on read notifications. So it's latest. We're going to take only 5 of it. Get. So with these notifications, we come to this part where we have let me find notifications. So this is the one that handles this A tag here carries the individual notification. So you ensure that your for each loop wraps these notifications. So for each notifications as, let me just call it notification. So we'll just copy this here and we paste. Then we do the notification title, notification title. Then here instead of 2 hours ago, we is supposed to be wrapped inside these curly braces. So we do notification created at different notification created at diff for humans. So with that, we should be able to get this here. So if we check this notification, you can now see that there's a paystack transaction 7 minutes ago. So now the next thing is if you click this, it should take us to this particular notification. So we'll do that. So on the web.php, we define a notification with an ID. So this notification, this should be notification / an ID. Then here we call it single notification. So here will be user.notification, not notifications now. So we come here, we define the method single notification, and we take the parameter which is an ID. So we'll go to, for us to get the notification itself, the individual notification, we go to the notification table and we find the ID. Then once we get this ID, once we get this particular notification, possibly we are going to create a page, return view, and this will be user.notification of notifications. Just compact the notification we just create. So I'm going to be creating this page now, then go back to it later. So I've actually created the user notification. If I click on notification, I can see on my notification there's a roll up, and here I was able to put the notification title and also the notification message. So my notification message is represented like this in case there is like this notification message has like HTML fields in it. So you can actually do that when you're adding your notification message here. You can decide to put a link with an a tag here and to show out fine. Then also on the notification, this thing, you can also see that my message is a long text. So in case there's a large message I want to put. So with that being said, let me refresh my page and let me confirm that I've added that route. So from here the route hasn't been added, so I have to put the route, then user dot notification, then the parameter of the route is notification ID. So with that, let's see. So I have this, I click on it. Okay, this is working. Your paystack transaction, the successful account has been credited with 500 naira. So back to dashboard. Nice, nice, nice. So that will be the end of this video. So in the next video, I'll be working on how to show the various notifications here on this page, and also I'll be doing something. Possibly if you want to put a schedule a notification for user. Let's say you want to send a notification to the user in the next 2 hours. I would actually be doing something like that for the next project. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please do well to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.